Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy Sierra Leone banana bread. First, mash 3 ripe bananas in a bowl until they are smooth. Next, add 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 large egg to the mashed bananas. Stir these wet ingredients together thoroughly until well combined, ensuring a consistent mixture for your delicious bread. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution of the leavening agents. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet banana mixture, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough banana bread. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After baking, let the banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps it set properly. Your homemade Sierra Leone banana bread is now ready to enjoy. Slice it thick and serve it warm, perhaps with a cup of tea or coffee. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or frozen for longer enjoyment. For an effortless way to keep your kitchen clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.